I'm testing today two vacuums which arrive in one assembly by Roidmi. These innovative and super strong cordless vacuums might be the little push that you need to abandon the old casual vacuums. Let's inspect. Hi, welcome everybody, really good to meet you. My name is Michael and nice to see you if we see each other for the first time. Hopefully you're gonna enjoy the idea of inspecting fresh and cool tech, what we do regularly over here. And I'm always in the search for the best value products, although thinking it through today, we're going to pay attention to two products of one of the pricey Xiaomi ecosystem brands, because whatever we're going to try out, that's, by the way, the X300 by the company Roidmi, and together with it we're also going to try out this very tiny portable vacuum cleaner called the P1 Pro, which has pretty decent suction power. So everything which I've discovered during the testing phase and figuring out which are the strong but also the weak sides of those two bodies, that's the point of today's review. It's never a mistake to mention Dyson when we talk about cordless vacuums, because they happen to be the first to produce massively good products. Roidmi, Dreamy, Xiaomi, they very quickly are catching up with X300, or also called Max Pro for some regions, trying to beat them all with the promised 90-minute runtime, huge suction power and 5-year warranty for the motor. So unboxing. It's a rather big pack for a portable vacuum, but the accessories are taking some space as well. There are a bunch of interesting facts noted on the box. I hereby want to inform you that there also is the option to purchase the edition with the mopping function, but in this video we're going to be strictly focused on the dry cleaning. First, we take out the P1 Pro. Yes, this is a mini portable vacuum cleaner, ideal for daily use or small debris, or easily bringing it in the car together with the family. I just adore the possibility to charge via a USB Type-C cable. Believe it or not, it provides up to 13,000 Pascal suction power, which for its small scale is remarkable. At the standard mode, it can work up to 25 minutes, and I almost call it a pocket-friendly tool. Now, back to the big box. Here we can see a cleaning tool, some accessories like the crevice tool, the mattress brush, the extension tube, the station, the charger, an extra filter, there's another one inside the main unit already, a wide nozzle, the battery, that's the main brush, and of course, the main unit. Before we dig deeper and test the actual cleaning capabilities, some specs for you. 150 watts suction power, up to 90-minute operation time in eco mode, 4000 mAh battery, a dust cap with a size of 650 milliliters, 8 cyclone dust gas separation, carpet mode, Bluetooth for smartphone app connectivity, noise levels less than 82 decibels, 122.5 centimeters height, and weight of just 3 kilos and 150 grams. All of these specs sound really fantastic. Class-leading performance, at least based on specs, well, probably a few air watts less than the top-end Dyson models, but most of the time you wouldn't really notice the difference. I really like the fact that over here we do have a removable battery. It means two things. Good news about longevity, because for some vacuums where the battery is integrated, you know that if it degrades, it's really difficult to replace it. And over here, besides guaranteeing that in 5 years from now, if you have spares, it's going to work fine, you can still buy a few extra batteries, and as soon as one of those is exhausted, but you still need to continue cleaning, you can just swap the battery and you're cleaning ready. Now, with all of these accessories, I think there's only one way to find out how good the performance is. Let's do some cleaning. Without any doubt, the performance is excellent. What I noticed with the X20 model from a couple of years ago, As soon as the HEPA filter goes dirty, efficiency has been dropping, something that I never experienced with G10 by Xiaomi, for instance, which used a cyclone more efficiently, and most of the dust was stopping at the cyclone entry, which seems to be the case with the Roidmi Max Pro as well, which is a good thing. I can say that the vacuum is really good if it can extract some dust out of pillows and furniture, because over there not only we have dirt, but also mites and all sort of nasty things that leads to allergies or sneezing at least. It took me only 5 minutes to extract that amount of dust out of just a few pillows on the balcony. Part of it is dust from the blooms and blossoms, but since we live near a big street, I do this exercise from time to time, and in that regard, Roidmi X300 has been excelling. Some more focus on the main brush, which turned out to be awesome because it has very wide open front side, and debris with height of up to half of a centimeter can easily go inside. Better than my current Dreamy T30 model. The brush is V-shaped, has carpet mode, meaning that it increases the suction power should it sense any fabric underneath. The mechanisms are very flexible and responsive, however, they were a bit stiff at the start. And Roidmi keep my favorite front light. If it's dark, it automatically triggers and stays on for 10, 20 or 30 seconds, depending on the setting you choose from the smartphone app. The device has been excelling in any condition, no matter what I try. The suction power won't drop dramatically if the dustbin is half full, so you don't have to be obsessed with emptying it all the time. The whole filtration system is washable, and the finest filter is replaceable. Prices for this one are very good, so better get some spares. The promised battery life is around 90 minutes in eco mode, which is almost never achievable if you do some proper cleaning, because if there are some carpets in the way, it automatically goes at least into the standard mode, so I usually was counting on between 30 and 60 minutes of actual cleaning time, but please know that these achievements are quite fresh due to the fact that there wasn't that much to clean at home anyway. To switch to any of the mods, it uses a pull mechanism, easy to attach and detach, but looks like the early units may not be that perfect. The tube is aluminium, not plastic, very good choice of the material. So I apparently had very positive experience while cleaning, being able to reach almost each and every corner at home. The smartphone app is also a nice addition. Has status of the battery, info about your cleaning cycles, reminders about brushes and replacing filters, and a few little tweaks. Firmware updates are also possible. I didn't receive any during the time of testing. And since we have said so many good things, may I comment on the dark side here. It's the smaller half, but some of these facts are important to note. This is the docking station. It's rather small, has no way to hold any of the additional accessories, so you have to find a way to keep them somewhere, but from experience, if they're inside a bag, which is hard to reach, you will rarely use them. Also, the suction power is not adaptive. Dreamy's T30 has the ability to increase the suction if it senses more dirt entering the tray. There also is no flexible tube, which sometimes can come handy, and no option for replaceable disposable paper bags, as Roborock offer with their cordless model. There is only one drawback to point for the smaller P1 Pro that I've discovered, and it's the absolute lack of accessories, not even a tiny extension tube, which could have been a killer feature to better clean keyboards and other types of fine tech. But at least, there's expandable brush mode, which does about the same. In the end, two really solid performers. The X300, or as it is called in some regions, the Max Pro, probably, given this combination of being solid, extremely well built and durable, and very good performing, but with these little drawbacks, I guess some of you would have some second thoughts, especially given the price point. But if you don't care about the negatives that I found out about, I'm pretty sure you're going to be pretty happy with what this pack is providing. As for the P1 Pro, I guess this is the best thing that has ever happened to my car, and now I'll probably find some spot in the camera backpack so that I can carry it with me during vacation time, because especially with kids, that could be priceless. So, really interesting to hear from you. What do you think about these two new cordless vacuum cleaners? Please comment below, let me know of your opinion. As usual, if you're looking for a discount, should be listed somewhere in the video description. Thank you very much for visiting my channel and for watching this video till the end, and maybe if you enjoyed, you're gonna come back soon for more. Yes, more cleaning time now. Enjoy your day.